Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply about the chain rule and the product rule. So about the product rule, for example, we have A, B, C. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of A multiplied by BC. Later that we do first derivative of B multiplied by AC. And the last one, we do first derivative of C multiplied by AB. And the next one, that's about the chain rule. About the chain rule, for example, we have AS plus B like this. So if we do first derivative of this one, we will do first derivative of AS plus B. And then after we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of S. Later that we do first derivative of B. And then we just have only I in here because B that's about the constants. So you got about 0. Now we can apply in here. So if we do first derivative, so we will do first derivative of 3s minus 2. Later that we do first derivative of s minus 4. And the last one, that's about 5 minus 2s. Next, we apply this formula in here. So this one you got about number 3. This one you got about number 1. So I don't need to write number 1 in here because this one you got about 1. So we can simplify like this. This one we have negative number 2. And here is about the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.